In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Instagram Professional Dashboard. Now, Instagram doesn't actually let you delete the professional dashboard as a separate feature. What you're really doing is switching your account from a professional or business account back to a personal account. When you do that, the professional dashboard and its tools will disappear from your profile. I'll walk you through that process step by step. First, open your browser or the Instagram app and go to your Instagram home dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to change. On desktop, this is the main feed page where you see posts from people you follow. On mobile, it's the home tab with your feed. Next, look at the left-hand column on desktop or the menu options if you're on mobile. Find the option labeled More and click or tap it. This opens a small menu with additional options that aren't shown by default. From that menu, choose Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your account. If you're on mobile and you don't see exactly the same layout, look for the three-line menu in the top corner, tap it, and then select Settings from there. Once you're in Settings, look for a section called Business Tools and Controls. This is where Instagram keeps all the settings related to professional and business features. Go ahead and click or tap on Business Tools and Controls to open it. Here's the key point. The only way to effectively delete the professional dashboard is to convert your account back to a personal account. There isn't a separate delete button just for the dashboard itself. So inside the Business Tools and Controls section, you're going to look for the option to change your account type. Find and click on Switch to Personal Account. Instagram might show you some information about what you'll lose when you do this, like access to insights, some business features, and certain contact options on your profile. Read that carefully so you know what to expect before you continue. When you're ready, confirm the change by clicking on Switch to Personal Account again. Instagram will process the change, and once it's done, your account will be a regular personal account. The professional dashboard and its related tools will no longer appear. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Instagram professional dashboard by switching back to a personal account.